guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to play Roblox Breaking
with Juha.
Yeah, and with my boyfriend. Please talk about he's not in the game. He's not feeling well, so he can play. So he can
I'm
only
in
see.
the house. You see me?
Yeah. Where are you? We are playing healer every time. We are both healer. Where are you? Juha, come to me.
I'm just checking.
Come to the basement door. I will heal you. You heal me first, then I will heal you.
Oh, healing energy. Let's go.
Come here. Yeah.
Arey.
Out to the kitchen. Come to the kitchen now. Come to the kitchen. Come here.
No.
No?
Don't give me the different location.
Okay, heal me first. Heal me first, then I will heal you. Or I will not heal you.
Oh God.
Heal me fast. I'm standing in front of you.
I healed you. Did you?
Okay, I will heal you then. Did I heal you?
Yeah.
Yeah. We both are winner.
We both heal ourselves. Good.
We both are high now. Let's go very high.
I'm going to the bathroom to check the code.
Okay.
But it is not there. Bad luck.
Bad luck. It is in the stairs. Oh my god. I have a staircase. I can make a closet
I got the
staircase.
key. Basement key.
Don't open it. Don't open the basement. Scary will come. Oh no. Juha got the basement key. Close the basement. Close the basement. Put
It's
more locks.
already closed.
Okay, open it. Go open it fast.
No, nothing here.
Oh no guys, I'm lagging. Oh no, Juha is in the green
I
room.
got a cookie.
Oh, which is it?
Oh shit.
Is anything in the blue room?
No, I have not checked yet.
Okay. Check the blue room after the green room. Or the pink room, whatever. Where is the money? Oh, I found it. It is the middle of the... Yazan, why are you laughing that much? You think we are very bad? He has never beaten this game.
I got one more money. I got so much money, yeah.
Yeah. Guys, if you want, you can call her whatever you want. Call her whatever you want. Just kidding, guys. Call her by name Juha. Let's do this, guys.
You know, Yazan is a pro player in this game.
That's like opposite of pro, guys. That's the opposite of pro.
No. He is good at this game. I got the basement key, you know.
Guys, if you want us to continue this one time, make sure to leave a like. Please give it a... Can you tell everyone to subscribe, Juha?
Yes, subscribe to AK Gamer.
Gameplay, you mean?
Whatever.
Time to get this.
If you like the videos, then unsubscribe. If you don't like it, don't subscribe.
Subscribe. What?
Subscribe.
Guys, I'm gonna glitch inside. Come. I'm gonna glitch inside the door.
Where is the pizza?
I'm stuck in the wall.
You are like a lizard.
Ah, let's go. Juha, see my screen.
Kill me first.
No, not at all. I'll answer it. You can see. See, guys, I answered it.
And open the door. 2309.
Ah, best one key. Use the Yoshi key, please.
You have 2 cookies, 2 apples.
Yeah, what? So what? Get the pizza.
I'm going to heal.
Oh, really? Oh, you heal someone else, not me. Heal me.
Where are you?
I'm above you. Heal me, that guy is me. It's 9 Go to the basement. Leave me there. I will heal you and you heal me. Okay. Heal me then. Heal me fast. Heal me fast. Until me happen. Just heal me. Still. No, don't heal him. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll heal him. Here, come. I heal him. I'm healing you.
Yeah. It's very sweet.
Okay.
They're the same thing. Listen to me.
Enough! Don't heal me!
I can't see anything.
Don't heal me enough. Your charges are going into waste.
I'm going to the pink bedroom. Are you?
I'm going to the... I'm going to watch a movie.
Oh shit. I thought I'm going to get to sleep. Sorry. But after this, you can sleep.
Oh my god, you're already watching. You're in the bedroom and you're watching.
This is not a drill. I repeat,
Take it back.
this is not a drill.
You just
Come on, skip this stupid recording or something bad will happen. Come on! I skip.
Where am I?
You will be dead.
Your bed is here.
I'm not sure. I'm sitting beside someone that is big and who has a bat. I'm sitting beside the blue room with my kids.
You're sleeping in the blue room? No, I'm in the pink room.
I'm coming in the pink room.
I'm full. Can you see my...
Oh, I found out my bed. It's in big room. Come in pink room. I'm in pink room. Come in pink room.
I'm having 40 rupees.
Click your mentor 1 second. Only 2 chances left. Save up.
Can you see?
Up here, 2 chances. Don't use it.
Okay.
It will be useful
Many
afterwards.
things. We have many things to eat.
Yeah, it will be useful afterwards.
But we don't have a bed. What to do?
Don't worry, we will get it in the basement. Okay. 2000. Guys, I'll be right back after this night. Okay, guys. Well, we survived. Not any attack happened. Oh my God, we were so close, guys. I was about to go to a green room. Well, I'm gonna do the most protective here. No
I'm
one.
having 6 things with me.
What?
Netflix, 2 apples, 1 cheese, 2 pizza
And wood. Okay, good.
Not for eating, for
For something. You noob? This is actually not a noob that provide this room.
No, I know this. Oh, I'm sleeping a lot now.
Why? Don't sleep on my bed. It will give you the virus named Corona. Don't give me Corona. No, don't give me Corona. Don't give me Corona, please. Oh wow, you finished all the wood. Good. Now protect other beds. Or you will be.
Why I should work so hard for them?
You will be on the leaderboard. You will be on the leaderboard if you do it. Protect the door always.
Oh, I have 2 beds to sleep anywhere. In the green room and even the big room.
Wow, you can sleep in the big room now with me. I hate pink. Lol. But it saved our lives yesterday. Okay, done. Gonna be on the leaderboard soon. Because you're 2 million, 2.8 million on the rank. You don't even play that much.
I play very much.
Shut up.
I just like this game. This is my favorite game.
You're not Chinese, why you're talking like that. Special.
So, I think
Wow, I'm very good at speaking. Wow. Okay, that should be enough. I'll board up this. Yeah.
let's go to the green room. I have done the paint.
You did a great job. I know we did a great job. You don't need to, call us that. What? Why are you girls standing there? Oh, Mr. Bear.
Afnan and something.
Afnan and you didn't get on the leaderboard, did you not?
Why did I have?
Now I'm gonna be lucky.
Wow, it just lasts fast.
Guys, if you leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, turn on notifications, I will get luck from the pizza luck. Please hit the like button.
Afnan is already sitting for the pizza.
It's pointing right at me. Don't spin pizza. I'll go through this one. It will spin and come to me.
So guys, if you like this video, do like, comment, share, press the like button.
If you do that,
Hit the like button.
we will get some luck of getting these pizzas. Subscribe to AK Gameplay BMG.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you again.
I got a pizza.
No! Thank you for hitting the like button for Juha. Wait, what? I know what is gonna happen. So I'm just gonna show you guys, but someone bought up all of this. There's a van outside. I will show you. The name I don't know, but Scary is the leader and they're about to kill us. So run. We have got to run, guys. We have got to run. We have got to run.
I'm just sleeping.
Where is it? My two. I'm in pink room again.
Go to the bed.
No, why? I don't want to go to the bed.
We should have a like. We can open the basement, right?
You can, but you don't use the key.
We will see if we will not open the key, what will happen.
Yeah, Scary will kill us, you know.
He will not kill us because he will.
He will be staying in the basement.
Oh no! No one is here to protect us! Protect us! Oh no! Run! 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 Just keep running! Do whatever you can do. Just keep running.
No.
Oh no, don't.
There are two, and they're killing us.
I know!
I just slept here, yeah.
I don't know why, but we slept here. I just don't know.
I'm just good.
Oh yes, we survived. Yes.
Oh my God.
Heal us.
Saving us.
You need heal? Come on here. Come here. I don't use it on me. I will give you some. Well, no, you are very high. Don't use it on me. No. Don't use it on me. Green room was survived last night. He slept on the green room.
How many layers are there?
You can't see in phone. Laptop only or iPad. We need an adult. I'm an adult. Come here, kids.
Head downstairs and check on the windows and doors. Be careful.
Usman Khan 2309 will discover it.
I didn't discover it.
Crazy 40 has discovered a broken window. Why the
It is locked. You have the key.
Wait, what?
You have the key?
Close it. Did you lock the key?
Yeah.
What? Why did you do that? He's so huge. Come on. Go. Hide. Go camping. No, he's so stupid. That kid is so stupid. What will happen if you behind him? Hide behind the door. Yup, you will be killed.
We will see if we
Nothing. Stay really. Hello, old man. How are you?
if we will run behind him, what will happen?
Let's go. Wait. Let him go a little bit up, then we'll run. Let's rush. Go. Let's go. I need the crowbar, everything I need. Yeah.
So fast.
Oh man. You want okay? I got something. I can attack. Come down, Juha. Come down to get the weapon. Come down.
To get a hammer.
Yeah, to get a hammer, wrench, anything.
It's on the table.
It's on a table. Yeah, take the hammer, just click on it.
I took the hammer.
Yeah, good. Now you can fight them. Heal me afterwards, not right now. Oh, money.
Only 2 are left in the house. Where is all the money?
I got 50 rupees. How much? 30? 50 rupees. I got 50.
I'm
That's
going to
good.
have you to better be killed.
You left it. Oh man, close it right now. Close. It's closed. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? It's closed.
You just taking a lap. Are you ready to jump? It's straight up.
Hey you. They're trying to break in. You're a small kid. How does he have a bat? This small kid is not supposed to fight. Why are you hitting me? I'm your friend, not enemy.
What is it? I'm going to
Excuse me. Me too. Be careful.
I'm not worried about my health. I'm just going to kill him with the money.
If you heal me, I will
I'm
give
so
you.
greedy. I just want money.
Don't be that much greedy. Give me that money. He's dying. I'm not helping Yes, thank you. No, I'm.
Now you heal me. This is big.
Oh, how much are there? There are only 3% and you are very. Juha, I'm running. Come on, help me.
Oh, beat them. I'm very low. I'm sorry.
Afghan is also very
I'm.
I'm gonna take everything.
We lost, guys.
Oh shit.
We'll see you in the next game right now.
Scanner.
Okay, guys. The next trip is
We are playing
Field Trip Z games.
aka ZB Zombie.
It's like a zombie game.
Become a zombie.
I'm spawning. Where are you?
I want to become a zombie, but I can't. So
Where
I'm
are
not
you? I
gonna.
can't see you. You are in not my server.
I'm in.
Oh hi.
Hi.
Let's go to the
Let's
best.
go. Wait for me.
Sorry, I'm so fast.
Not
Going
that
in
fast.
I'm going in this bus.
Okay, I'm coming.
Where are you? I can't see you.
I'm in. Don't worry.
You are back. We are in front.
Yeah, I'm in garage. I'm in front.
Okay, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna come behind you only. Okay. I'm behind
Oh,
you.
hi.
Hi.
We are
Right.
going in 25, 24, 23, 22.
Hi, bro. You are a girl, not a boy.
I'm saying to you.
Hello.
Hi, sis.
Oh, we are going.
We are not going.
I hate school. It's Corona right now. Why are we going in school?
In school there are zombies. I know the game.
Why we are going to Corona?
Zombie.
She has played. This girl has played the game
I've
Oh,
tried
yeah?
every game.
with me.
Yeah.
Oh, do you have one?
Yes.
Welcome to the students to your first day of Robloxian High School.
Okay. My name is Mr. Karen.
Wow, very. My name is Karen. There are two of activities to do throughout the school. This classroom will study here soon.
Good luck and remember, don't break any of this.
Okay, guys, let's go. We need to find the medkit. I think
Bye.
I've never played this game.
I have played this game.
Guys,
Okay, let's
wait, guys.
walk out.
We need a chair. What? What is? I want the chair.
They will say the chair.
We need a chair. No, I want the chair. Come on. Let's get the
I
chair.
got a medkit.
I got the chair. I'm on the chair.
You're just wasting your time, I guess.
Oh my god, everyone is taking. Oh, here's the locker. Oh, this is my locker.
I got a
Check
bandage.
the lockers. Oh, this is
I
pretty
got a
good.
bandage and a medkit.
What are in these games?
You need to take this
Oh,
for
donuts.
save.
Wow, donuts. Look at this. I got some donuts, I think. Ooh, donuts are
You
yummy.
need to take this because
I think this is mine.
it will save you later.
Oh, medkit. Bandage, I mean. Sorry. Oh, one more bandage. Oh, one more. Oh, guys.
I got a donut.
Okay, guys. Time to get some more donuts. Oh my god.
I got one more donut.
Skip class. No, skip.
Go to the class.
I want to skip the class.
Bye.
Okay.
Medkit.
I want that chair, but.
Donut. It's
Where is the
time
first
for
class
your
button?
first class.
Who found the rock?
Okay, I'm going to the class, guys. Bye.
Oh, that was pretty easy. Excuse me, sir.
Where's my name? Here. I'm gonna sit.
Oh, hello, sister. Okay.
Hi. You are very far.
Teacher. Hello, teacher. Where skip? Hello. Now, tell everyone. I saw one of my friends play
Please
this.
find your registered seat and settle down. Okay, I'm sitting in my own chair, man. So I can have a donut. Yeah. I got a donut and I healed myself. Fantastic. Welcome to our first class. I want to go get a donut. You are taking help from him?
Now let's get ready to learn.
What?
I'm new, sorry.
Mr. Karen, please report to the principal office. Oh, teacher is going.
I'm Mrs. Karen.
Oh, the principal needs me.
Okay, I'm coming, teacher.
I will be right back, students.
Let's go,
Please
let's
behave
go, run.
while I am gone. We can't open the door. Why? I'm going up. I'm going up. You can't party.
Oh, this.
I'm just saying you can't party. I don't think. Get down. The teacher is coming.
Oh, good. I'm set. Oh my God, you don't have your seat. Come on.
Teacher is coming. Get back in your seats. 4-3. I'm sitting.
Juha, tell the teacher the truth, okay?
No.
Tell the teacher the truth.
Why are
Tell the teacher the truth. Tell the teacher. Tell the teacher, please.
No.
Juha, I will give you a shout out. I will give you a shout out if you do it.
We will give you one robot.
Okay, I will give you a. Oh no,
She just tell us to.
So what happened now? It was noodles one miss. Oh, I just say what is it? No.
Think noodles will remember.
I didn't say that.
You only said that.
you only the
Due
due
to
to one.
some unseen circumstance, lunch will be early.
Yes, finally, I can eat my
I
donuts
will
from
see
lunch.
you bright smiles next period. I want some
Yeah.
class beast.
Can I get some cafeteria things?
Nothing there.
Just gonna do some brightness up, guys. This game is so cool.
Let's go to
You just like it? You liked it, Afnan?
Oh, this guy is pretty good with the chair. I wish I can open. Where is the cafeteria?
There.
Where? Here? Oh, this one is the cafeteria.
Hey, old lady. I'm so charming.
Hey.
Where is the cafeteria? I can't see it. I'm going to the
Mrs.,
library.
can you give me some lunch?
The lunch lady tells me that food truck is late.
No, I wanted to eat some food.
Where am I going? Where's the cafeteria?
Go there, yeah. In front of you is the cafeteria. Why? Man, that's weird. Explore the school.
First we have
Okay.
to go to lunch.
Can you
Now
sprint?
there's no food. What's going on?
Mister, I can go to the cafeteria if I open that door, but I can't. Can I go inside any doors?
No. We can go upstairs, but.
Okay. What is
I
upstairs?
need
Do anyone know?
there. Get to
Get
the
back.
class.
Okay.
I'm not going, sorry.
I have played this one time, but I will not tell you both what is there.
It's gonna be scary, I guess.
I think I know what is it. Oh man, I'm gonna be late.
You will be teleported anywhere. You will be teleported to class only.
How
Can
do
you see
you
the
know
laptop
that?
there?
Yeah, because I played more. I played 10 times.
Don't worry.
In the class only.
Take a seat.
Welcome back.
I'm in my seat.
sunshine students.
Oh, thank you, teacher,
We
for
are
calling that
going to
us.
start with a history lesson today. I think it's so boring.
Yay!
I don't like the history. 30 minutes later.
Ah man, I want to do 1 hour.
30 minutes later. Is this raining?
What? Teacher, it's raining. What should we do?
Destroy subway.
What the?
I think it's a zombie. I'm going to
Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Anyone help me?
What happened?
Can I get teleported, please?
Okay.
Yeah, you will be teleported. I know everything because I play.
I'm standing up because the zombie will come.
I can't teleport.
You will be
What
teleported.
happened to
You
you?
will be teleported. I will say no.
That's
You will.
weird. The lights turned off. What are you doing, Afnan?
I will be
stuck
teleported.
down.
I will tell he will be teleported.
I'm sitting down on the ground.
Go up.
Knock knock. Knock knock.
Afnan, who is
It's a
there?
zombie.
Afnan is going to be killed.
No, he will
I'm
be
gonna
not.
go.
He will be teleported. I'm telling. Pakka.
Oh, someone's at the door.
Oh really?
You know that. Zombie आता है. Oh!
Sorry, he's from India, guys. Too easy, guys. Too easy.
Find another way.
Oh my God, guys! Someone.
3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you will teleport.
Yes, guys. Wait, what?
What zombie?
What the?
What's
No,
this
you have
thing?
1 life left. I know there are 2 lives.
You died.
You have 1 life left. I told you.
Respawn.
Oh, what?
Respawn.
Yeah, 20. After this seconds, you will be respawned.
Zombie.
Really? Yeah.
That stupid.
Now you are real life. Do zombie
Well,
exist?
whatever. I don't want to go down.
Wait, what? Where am I?
Yeah. Where are you?
Where am I? What's this place?
Find someone to open the
I
first.
got a screwdriver.
I am in somewhere.
I found a
I
screwdriver.
found a sewer. Everyone come outside, please.
Can you give me the screwdriver?
Go outside. Go outside. Go outside.
Wait a second. I can run from zombie apocalypse.
Yeah.
Bye, losers.
I got the screwdriver, but
Bye,
it's not
noobs.
coming.
Bye, noobs. Bye, losers. I am from the zombie apocalypse.
Wait. You stay here. A policeman will come. I'm pakka sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I want. Is there some
Teleport. Yeah, you will be teleporting.
Yes,
Let's
thank
go.
God.
Hi,
Thank God.
hi, Flan.
Hi. Sorry, I died.
Eren. Okay.
I got stuck. I don't know why.
No problem. We are open.
Now you will-
Store.
Oh, really?
Just jump. Just jump. You will go down.
I lost all my cookies, donuts, everything.
Hey, look at that. It's a broken video.
Look like it's the only way out. So we jump it. Okay.
There's all the blood down there. What should I do? Principal, give me some guns. I will go kill them all right now.
I want to go from out because principal is going to turn a zombie.
But there are monsters out there. These are not monsters.
Nonsense. That's just some students being silly. No.
No, principal.
You have classwork to do. No, I'm not going to the class again.
I'm going. I don't care.
Yeah, we will go because principal is.
We are so strong.
Principal है हम.
This is our classroom.
I know.
Let's open it.
I can't open it.
Teleporting. Where I'm teleporting?
To there.
Open the door.
Hey, open the door.
You can, if anything is there in the wardrobe, you can take it.
Okay, you can check it out first. Okay.
Something is going on.
Yep, I knew it. Okay, I'm running. Bye, losers. Okay, bye, losers.
Make hero. Nah.
We are making a video.
Where are you going?
Oh yeah, let's go, guys. Wait, what? I was teleported.
No, is that zombie?
Yeah, just
But the
Should have.
just a tiny scratch, nothing compared to the pain of eating a life.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, show to me. Yeah. You right. Show us to them. You are lying.
breaking.
Oh my God, zombies are here. Warning, zombie outbreak. Stay inside. Stay away from the infected.
Oh no. I know it.
Not from
I know full game. I
It's
have.
just like the movies.
saying
What, Donald Trump? What are you doing here?
Just warning you.
Donald Trump?
Zombies? It can't be.
No,
It can't be. That you just now saw.
I'm going to be calling the police, okay?
Please.
hide yourself in the supply closet. No, I'm not.
Where is the supply closet?
I know the way is supply closet. Just
Show me.
move left, go straight.
Where are you? I can't see.
This?
You're straight, you're straight.
Yeah, okay, then.
Straight.
Only straight.
You can left.
Left, okay.
Then straight. I know the way.
Okay, then.
Go straight. You can see your left door. That's the supply closet.
Well, I think this is the door.
Yeah, this is supply closet. You can take a
कहाँ
weapon.
है? दिख रहा तुम लोग?
I'm taking a crowbar, I think. I took a crowbar.
मैदान में मुझे दिखो ना.
I took a crowbar. I have a crowbar right now. Oh, cool crowbar. I have a crowbar. It's very cool. Oh, I can attack things. I'll kill Juha.
Come inside or zombie will kill you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I just got teleported only. Anything else? Only weapons are only
I
here.
can't take it.
Anything else? Only weapons are only
Got
here.
crowbar.
Yes, I
What's
got a
this?
crowbar.
You can only take a one weapon.
Only weapon or only more things?
4 hours later.
Oh my god, I would have been tired.
No.
Brightness I did.
Where is the principal?
I know principal will come now. Kill him. It has
It's
been
been 4 hours.
He is infected.
without food and water. How can anyone?
I guess the principal got infected.
I will tell the principal is zombie.
I am also telling the principal zombie 1,000,000%. They will say it's the police. It-
Someone's coming. I have had everything. I got healed.
What is that?
What is that?
Oh, what? It's the principal. I know it's the police, they say, but it's the principal, but the infected zombie. AKA. Don't open.
Okay, principal. Kill him.
What? You try to kill me, Mr. Principal? Huh? Huh? Mr. Juha, please help me. Where are you, Mr. Juha? Did you eat the donut? Is he dead? No, kill him. If you call the police, what will happen?
Kill him, kill him, kill him. Can you see the miss? Can you see the miss? Donut Dave. Donut Dave. Donut Dave. I'm going with him. You're walking too far to get it. Return to your body.
Oh, Mr. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Donut Dave. I thought you were leaving.
Restore.
Yes, Donut Dave. I wish he was alive too long. I'm gonna kill him more. Sorry. I'm gonna kill you.
Everyone get on the side from the boat coming to the radio. Where's the radio?
I'm again stuck. What the?
What happened?
Oh, I'm back. Okay. Can I kill Donut Dave? No.
You want?
Oh, radio is golden.
Save
Save
zone.
zone. That's
Save
pretty
zone?
good.
Can you hear me? Hurry up.
Nothing will happen. We have got to do this.
Where are you going, guys?
We are going. We got to go run. Just follow Donut Dave. Whatever. Keep running, Donut Dave.
There are zombies in front of you. Kill him.
Donut Dave. Whatever. Just
Break this door.
break this door down. Just break it. Break the door down.
Hey, go upstairs. Go upstairs.
Go upstairs, Juha.
You will not will be longer now.
You will be dead now. Okay, just go, just go. Leave Juha alone.
No, something happened.
We are going.
She will be teleported on. She will be,
She will be dead and she will be respawn again.
with what? I'm stuck. Oh, I stuck. Okay.
There will be zombie coming. No, do not jump.
Oh, sorry. Okay, and okay. I'm gonna do the brightness full. Don't worry. You will respawn. Don't worry. I don't. You made it to the roof. Finally.
Now there is parkour.
Oh no, I'm really bad at parkour.
Oh shit, I died.
Then you will be respawn again.
But I will not.
I died.
Oh no!